The K-Supply Biwa-Ko Easy Wash is an easy-to-use and cost-effective cleaning system for all printing presses. The Biwa-Ko Easy Wash combines an aluminum tray and disposable liners, which enables you to clean your equipment very efficiently. Simply remove and dispose the used liner, install a new one in the aluminum tray, and it's ready to go. With Biwa-Ko Easy Wash, there is no need for scrubbing colors after each printing job. Therefore, Kumari Press users can save as much as 30 minutes on 5-color printing presses per week, which greatly increases productivity. What's more, since there's less amount of chemical solvents needed, the system is more environmentally conscious than standard cleaning. So cleaning with Biwa-Ko Easy Wash means cleaning more efficiently and responsibly.